Avni, thank you for giving us time here on News9. Plenty of stocks to talk about today. Let's start with Dabur because Reserve Bank of India has approved Dabur's promoters, the Burman family's plan to acquire an additional 26% stake in Religare Enterprises. This follows a long battle for control of the non-banking financial corporation. RBI's approval is valid for a one-year period as per the report in the Economic Times. It comes with conditions including maintaining the current management structure and requiring consolidation of NBFCs within the Burman Group by March 31st, 2026. I'll start with Dabur first. Seeing some bit of a price pressure this morning. In fact, if you look at it, it has really performed poorly. In fact, the entire FMCG pack has been very disappointing in 2024. But Dabur stands out. It's in the news. Typically, the company that acquires another company sees some bit of a price correction, and I think we are witnessing that in prices. But we have got a one-year chart. Nifty is Dabur is down somewhere around 10%. In today's trade, it's down marginally, 0.2%. Avni, I'll come to you on Dabur. FMCG pack, yes, of course, they have been facing pressure. But does Dabur stand out over here, considering that we have seen sharp correction this year?
Good morning, Suyash, and a very good morning to all the viewers as well. So yes, Dabur has been the worst performing stock in the entire FMCG pack, although the entire sector has really not lived up to its tag of being a defensive, because it fell when the markets were falling, and it's correcting when the markets are doing good. So FMCG has really disappointed investors. But among this entire space, Dabur has been the worst performing stock. And currently also, if from a very, very short term perspective, if you look at it, if it breaks yesterday's low of 503, it can further come down. There are no triggers that can see even a small bounce back in this particular stock. So I'm expecting, if 503 is breached, then we may see a retest of around 485 levels on the downside.